couple of cleanup items. If you wanted to notate for yourself for the midterm, I prefer to set the width on the larger container, the body in this case, that has the background image, and set the width to the same width as the background image. Okay, other cleanup items. If I would like to do some shortcutting, I can say margin and start from the top and work my way around, right, bottom, and left. That means I can get rid of all this. Save and refresh, should have no effect. Looks the same. Okay, next up, let's see what else to do here. I need to make this heading green, and I need to add a little bit of a design here to those paragraphs. Okay, let's do the green first. It wasn't really specified what color, so I could use a color picker. If you had your color picker installed here, I could pick from the page, ColorZilla. Pick color from page. Oh, picking the color picker, I forget that the pick color from page is disabled when you're running it on a local file, so that's not going to be here unless I do this. It looks like I can turn that on here, and then I can close. If you haven't installed ColorZilla, now would be the time to do that. I think we're done here. Let's see, pick color from page. I can get a little sample from the T maybe. It may be hung here because of my QuickTime player running my video. But this would be how you could click and get a sample for that color. I'm going to close this up so that I can keep going here without taking a long time on the video, and make it a simpler color for this video, but I encourage you to use the color picker. So this is an H1 that I'm styling here, and I'm just going to use color, and for now I'm just going to say green and check it out. That looks nice. Maybe a little darker would be good, and let's put the background image on these paragraphs. Each one of these is a P tag, so I'm going to put the background image on all P tags using a P rule. In the images folder, pattern, swirl, I forget, I think it's swirl. I forgot to look. And it's no repeat, and definitely is at the top left. So I'm going to leave it as that, save, and refresh. So all that I need to do now is to move the text over and down, and that has to be padding. If I look in the inspector, this is a nice review. This is the P tag. The image is on the background of the P, so in order to move the text inside the box, I need to use padding. How much padding? Well, I can probably eyeball it, but if you didn't have an idea in your mind, this is how you could find an idea. This is, you can see it's 23 pixels wide, and the XY will let you know. I would say I would give it at least 23 over. What does the final product look like? Well, actually it's not that far over, maybe half that amount. So I need to get it past this swirl, so maybe 15 pixels over and 15 down would probably do it, 15 and 15. Let's see it. Padding top, 15px, padding left, 15px. Save and refresh. Much better. I think we're there. Yep, that's looking pretty good. I might take another trip in the validator to just make sure my HTML continues to be good, but I would consider this finished.